If you want to install iOS launcher on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, then first of all we need to open the Play Store and we need to search for iOS launcher in order to download it. Of course, there are multiple different launchers that we can use that imitate the iOS look. So you can try anything that you wish to try. In my case, I'm gonna choose this launcher over here. I'm gonna show you how to set this one up. But like I said, if you want to try anything else, then feel free to do so. They are mostly easy to set up. So once you install the launcher, we can open it. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime because these are free apps. So yeah, so we can expect some ads. Let's close the ad. And there we go. In this case, in order to continue, first we need to select the language. So I'm gonna choose English and let's press continue. Over here we need to press next, and then once again until we get started. After that we can change the wallpaper. You can choose any of these, or you can just skip by pressing skip over here in the top right corner. If you see this premium offer, we can press continue with free version with ads. Of course, once again we see an ad, so let's close it. And now let's wait a couple of seconds so that soon we should be able to see the iOS launcher. There we go. Now we can tap on screen to see the OS launcher. There we go. And you can also go to set as default in order to always use the launcher if you enjoy it. In my case, I'm just gonna skip this. If you see this warning message, then you can just press ignore for now. This is because the launcher is not set as the default one. So for now, I'm just gonna ignore for myself. And then over here, you can see the information about the blur effect issue, which appears pretty much on every phone. So over here, we can just press don't ask again. And there we go. As you can see, we have the iOS launcher on our Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. We also should have access to the app library. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.